Hey, hello everyone. Today let's discuss how to use CogniSweep. So, firstly, let's log into CogniSweep. Uh, CogniSweep actually it's a localization workspace. Nothing but same like SaaS tool. So, on this CogniSweep we can do translations, do subtitling, and do transcription as well. So we can generate QA reports, we can generate scorecards, and we can manage the team. Everything we can manage like a TMS. So uh, after opening cognisweep.com, this page will be appeared. This is a landing page. So here we can see what all services CogniSweep is providing us. So translation, quality assurance, media workflows, like everything you can see here. So coming to the, so here you can see the packages, what all we have in CogniSweep. And if we want to discuss anything about enterprise or any doubts, any business related things, partnerships, anything we can discuss by contacting us through contact CogniSweep. So let's get into CogniSweep. Uh, Firstly, if you are a existing user, you can use login. If you are a new user, you can use this open CogniSweep option. Yeah, here we can see a sign up um, page, which we have to provide all the details so that account will be created, and you can use Google as well to log in. And for now I am using my login demo account. Yeah, after login, this is the dashboard. uh, if we can see um, the total projects which are available in this account, particularly in this account, how many jobs created, we can see everything here. And coming to projects, here we can create a project. Under project we can create multiple tasks related to that project. So here we can see a option here, create project. Firstly, project name. You can pick random name, like uh, what basically this project is belong to, like if it is subtitling, if it is transcription, if it is a translation. So accordingly we can keep our project name. So let's say I'm keeping randomly, like movie transcription, and we can keep company name CogniSweep. Excuse me. So this source is like it's a default language which you have selected. We can ignore that. Here we can select what all target languages we are planning to create projects on that. these are all global languages. In this we can randomly select few of the languages, uh, but for now I am creating that like for all the languages. I'm selecting all the languages, and we can select if there is any specific domain we can select. I'm normally selecting general. Now let's create project. Yeah, if you scroll down, here we can see the project name. These are all previously created projects. So here is the movie transcription project. So on right side we can see the client name CogniSweep, as we mentioned before. Source we can ignore that. Um, it was kept by default it was English. So target languages, if we can see the languages what I'll mention here, and the domain name, and the status is active. So now we are creating a transcription project. So transcription, we have to select the task type transcription and spoken language. We can randomly pick. I'm picking Telugu here. So which person you are assigning this task, you can give that mail ID, or else you can give your mail ID also. So I'm keeping my personal mail ID here. And if you have a downloaded version of video, you can upload that, or else if it is a big audio file or big video file, so uploading will take lot of time, or else downloading it from some other cloud or somewhere and again uploading to the tool, that's not required. We can use this option, paste direct file URL. So if the file is in any cloud storage, your personal cloud storage, from that cloud storage we can fetch that audio or video to this tool. So in my Google Drive, I'm using Google Drive for example. See, in the share we can see the copy option. So we have to manage the access. Without access it can't fetch the audio to the tool. So we have to select, it should not be restricted. We have to select anyone with the link and editor access, and then we can copy the link and paste it here, enter. Then this load option will be appear, otherwise it will be grayed out. We should paste the link and press enter, then it will be shown. Then we can click on it. Yeah, now it's ready. If it is showing any error, then maybe some restriction is happened in that Google Drive. Because of that restriction it may be not uploaded, but for now it was uploaded. And if you go down, there is a option for deadline. Keeping a deadline of randomly like 2 days, and we can change the time, and even we can change the time zone also, time zone. If there is any note or something specifically on this project, we can mention that, and then we can create. And one more thing here in this step, if you are having AI API key, then it will generate automatically based on that video. It will generate, AI will generate automatically the script, and that will be created along with this task, and it will be shown in the editor. And if you are not having AI API key, it will still create a task, but there will be no any script in that. We have to manually write by seeing the video or audio. So by listening that, we have to um, write the script by our own. But if we have AI API key, then we can get AI script in this tool. So currently I have added my AI API key in this tool. We can use this account page to add our AI API key, so that this tool automatically will use AI everywhere, like creating change reports, I mean scorecards, QA reports, doing translations, doing subtitling, doing transcription. Everything will be worked based on that AI. So currently I am already using my AI API key, so now I am creating the task. You can see it's loading now. Yes, AI transcription generated. If we didn't add our AI API key to the tool, then it won't show like this. It will show like as AI API key is not available, I'm unable to generate AI transcription. So it will be showing something like that. So now the task is created, and I have assigned that task to my personal mail ID. So we can see that mail here. See, from the this is from movie transcription project Telugu, and the task is available here. If we click on that, it will direct us to CogniSweep, and user can see, translator can see that file in his account, and they can do the translation, I mean transcription, translation, or subtitling, whatever it may be. So the H4 mail will be sent like this. Coming back to CogniSweep, so now task was created. The next step is the created tasks will be gone to jobs section. Here we have jobs section, and we have to check uh, where is our project name. We have created movie transcription as our project name. If we click on it, this is the only task we have created now. So uh, sorry. So now we can see this open task option here. If we click on that one, it will direct us to editor. This is transcription editor. So it's still loading now. Yes, so this is transcription editor. Here below we can see all the segments. This video which I have uploaded is almost 2 minutes, so it has served as all 2 minutes transcription here with the help of AI. And as you can see here, the video window is very small. uh, Actually, to make it big, I have created one option here, picture in picture. If we click on it, the video will be played here. We can play.
ఏం తెలుసు మీ అందరికీ? తెలిసినా ఏం చేస్తారు?
నువ్వు చేసిన ఘనకార్యాలన్నీ తెలుసు.
We can play simultaneously, and we can transcribe the script here, and after completion of every segment, we can click on the segment confirmation mark. So then next, going to next segment, and again. So if we tick mark all the segments, only then we can see the submit option. Till then it will be grayed out, and you can see the on time transcription also on screen, whether it is showing on screen or not, on the same timing and everything was sync or not. We can see that in this screen, and we can see this video here, and we can transcribe. So after transcription was done, after segments everything was tick marked. See, actually there is a error was detected here in this particular segment. So the that warning is showing here. So we have to check it. Maybe sometimes it was false positive. So when it is false positive, we can ignore that. But mostly there may be genuine alerts also here, warnings also here, we can see. So we have to recheck it by playing the audio or video, and we can recheck it, and then we can confirm the segment. If it is a false positive, you can simply ignore and mark complete. We can click on that. If it is not false positive, then we can edit that, and again we have to select the tick mark. And coming to here, this is also showing some error. Segment overlaps the previous segment. Adjust the start or previous end time. So we have to adjust by splitting the. Here we have few more options here: split, merge, and if we click on split, the segment will be split to two. Then we have to we have to sync the script and the video, and we can write it again. So after everything was done, we can mark all these segments. So for now I am marking as false positives. So once the segments are transcribed and everything was done, and we have marked tick marked the segments, so now everything was done. These are now showing for actions. So if we want to download the script from here, we can download it. So it's downloaded. Let's unzip this one, extract, and check what all files included in this folder. In this folder we can see QA report. It will generate a QA report after our post editing. AI will generate the QA report based on that video and the script. We can get a QA report, and yes, it may show the false positives, but sometimes it will show the genuine errors also. So we can check all the details. If it is showing a false positive, then fine, we can ignore that. And if it is showing any correct error, we have to correct. We can go back and correct that. based on this report. So, and here we can see the transcription in SRT format. Yeah. So we can see the all the lines in SRT format, and this will be giving us in text format. So we are providing both the formats, whatever uh, user can use, then they can switch to any required format. So this is what in the zip folder. Let's go back to CogniSweep. So once the task is completed, you have already downloaded that file and you can submit the task. Yes. So it automatically directed to media studio. So let's go back to jobs section. Here we can see 0 tasks. Why? Because when the task is created, it comes to uh, this task section. Once the task is completed in this task section, then it comes to review. So in review we can see this task. If again, if you are not confident with the translators version, I mean transcribers version, if you want to assign this to any reviewer, then you can edit from here. So then they can, while assigning the task in the starting stage, you can assign that to like if you can see my name is here, only this transcription was assigned to me. If you can mention few more email IDs, so they also can see this task. So once Naveen Adapala 401 has completed this task, then another person can come to this reviewer section and start doing review. If you are okay with the starting step, then it's fine. You can download that and you can use it as a final file. So this is from reviewer section. The everything will be opened again. We can do the posted, I mean review part, and we can close the task. So if this is also done and we submitted the task, it will yeah. So the task is now submitted. So we can see that from review section, the final task, or else if you want, you can see that from history also. In history also it will be created. Yes. So like the two tasks you can see, one is review task and one is transcription starting task. So both you can see that. And now let's go to create another project. Let's say now we have tried for transcription, and we have seen all the process gone to transcription. Now let's jump to translation. For example, like UA translation. and the client name randomly we can keep like name again. I'm keeping CogniSweep as a client name, and here source is important. Sometimes some language will be translating from Hindi to Indian languages, or else German to English, whatever it may be. Here selecting the source language is important. For transcription we do no need to select any source because it's optional, but for subtitling and translation we have to select the source language. Basically the projects will be from English to other language only, so I'm selecting English here, and in this section selecting all the languages. So here if I selected like software UI randomly, and now creating the task project. So here we can see the UI translation project here, so we can see all the details here, and then yeah, on default it's already translation was selected. So here there is an option for us, like we can select multiple languages while doing translation or subtitling, because because the translation or subtitling is having the same source for all the languages, but transcription is not like that. The source file is only related to one language. If it is Telugu video, Telugu audio, it's Telugu language, target language. Only one target language we can select. So while coming to this translation, it will be like more language we can select. At a time we can create more tasks at the same time. Like I'm randomly selecting 3 languages: French, German and Telugu. So I have selected 3 target languages, and now I am assigning it to one to Naveen Adpala, and we can add another mail ID, and we can add yeah, and we can add I have selected randomly 3 mail IDs. So these 3 languages task will be notification will be sending to these 3 mail IDs. Though so they can get notified, and they can come to this CogniSweep, and they can pick whatever their language is, so they can start working. So mails are added, and then here we can add the task file. So I'm randomly adding one task. Yeah, I have added one demo task, and we can give some deadline to this. I'm giving 31st, and some random time and some random time zone, what as per your requirement. Is there any note? We can type that note here, and then we can start doing translation. So as I said before, now AI is using I'm using AI in this tool. I have added my AI API key in this tool. So so automatically AI will be translating uh, the document, I mean uploaded file in all three languages. And yeah, now the tasks are created here. It was showing some error like few segments are not translated by AI. Let's see. In jobs section, AI translations. So we have selected three languages. So the task was created for all three languages: Telugu, German, and French. Let's open Telugu. Yes. So A already generated the translation here. Uh, if we have any glossaries or anything, we link to this tool, it will be shown here, and we can compare with the language resources. And here our translation was generated. You can see all the segments. So so we have to, like, these are all segments which are already tick marked. Those are all like um, um, previous TMs. So those are already we have translated in this tool. So it was showing like it was already corrected and showing as a tick mark. But again we have like, if we are generating this with the new file, then it won't show like this. So you have to go one by one and tick mark the segments, and then see. Here it was showing some random issue is there. So I have to check whether it is correct or not. If it is wrong, we can ignore that and we can mark it. So the same way what we have done in transcription, in the same way we have to tick mark all these things, and then we have to, then the submit option will be shown here, and if we submit that, it will goes under review section in the jobs. So we can export means we can download the files. There is a zip folder will be downloaded. It will be having the translated file and the QA report. So going back, so we have seen this transcription, how the transcription works, and how the translation works. Now let's create a project for subtitling. Let's say movies subtitles as a project name, and as usual keeping CogniSweep as a client. So source, which type of language movie it is. I was selecting English as a English movie. So selecting normally all the languages. If you are only limited to few languages, you can select only few languages here, and if there is any domain we can select, if there is nothing we can select like general, then create a task. Here the task was created, and we can see all the details here. Now we have to select task type as, so the target language, randomly selecting French, German, Telugu. So I'm assigning to myself and assigning a task to so I have added two mail IDs here, and let's get a random video. Yeah, so I'm uploading this file, one video file for subtitling. So I have uploaded one English video file. Don't have script to upload. It's an optional. I have given as optional. If you have, you can upload the script. It will be shown in the editor. For now, I don't have script, so I'm skipping that step. Given some random deadline, and now creating the task, subtitling task. As these are three languages, it will take little time to generate AI content. If AI content, AI API key is not provided, then it will take few seconds to create jobs in the jobs section. So let's wait for few more seconds to create this task. If we have selected only one language, then it can create single language very little faster, but this one is take little time. So yeah, those tasks are created now. Let's go to jobs section. Yeah, now the jobs are created here. So if we can see, I have selected French, Telugu and Italian. So those are already created here. Let's go to French file, subtitling. So as we can see, the subtitling is also done. We have to compare that with
for the signing of this historical
video. If we want, we can increase the size. So
legislation.
we can watch the
With
video.
this bill,
We can watch the video and we can compare the subtitling translations, and we can close the task. And after completing the task, we can download from export. If we want SRT or SRT format or CSV format, we can download as per the requirement. So once completed, we can click the submit option, and it will goes to review part. Then you can assign to reviewer if you wanted. And these are the three features, like translation, subtitling, and transcription features we have in this tool. And if we go to QA report, this history will show all the tasks which are created in this account, how many projects you have created, how many tasks you have created, everything details will be there. And individual tasks, I will explain you this thing. So when it comes to QA report, QA report will be having a few options here. Bilingual file, like after translation, translated file. So if there are any rules, we can upload the rules, so that AI will compare these rules and reference docs which we are uploaded, and do the review part. So, and if we have attached this old TMs, glossaries, your language resources, base AI will compare with those, and also generate the QA report from here. And here we can see the translation option. If you are not if you don't want to create a project and inside the project again translation tasks, or any jobs or any task, instead of doing all those process, we can simply come to translation. If you want to translate any particular file, you can directly come to translation, and you can upload the source file, and you can upload anything, reference documents, and you can run the translation. The AI will be generating directly from here. And in the same way, we have Media Studio. Here we have two options here. Subtitling is there, and transcription is there. We can use any of the options what as per our requirement. And if you want to upload directly the file, you can upload, or else you can give the link here, as like we have seen in projects section. And here are the reference files. You can upload if there are any reference files, or else it's come to subtitling. You can upload the a source script as well. Here we can upload source script. So if there is any existing already it's translated, then you can upload and do the post editings also, and we can get the AI QA reports also. So when it comes to scorecard, you can upload the source file. It's an optional one, and you can directly upload a translated version, reviewer version, and if there are any reference documents, you can upload, and give the language, what is the target language you can select, and generate the scorecards. In this scorecard, we will in this zip folder what we have downloaded from scorecard, we are getting one scorecard for the translator version, like comparing with the reviewer version, we will get a scorecard. And based on the reviewer file, we are getting one QA report also, so that we can check the QA report. And if we feel anything AI detected genuine errors, then we can go back and edit those as well. So coming to rules, if we have any glossaries, if you want to upload one by one, then you can use this one. And there is a bulk import option is also available here. You can upload that. And coming to teams, this team section, uh, it will show you the what the package you are having. Currently this account is having agency package. So if you want to add your teammates, so here we can add your teammate, like provide the email address and the role, what role you want to give into him, like, and the permission, like what type of permission you want to provide to that particular person. You can choose that one, and you can add that user to your team. So update the permissions. You can update the permissions for any individual. For example, here at current stage there are no teammates, so only the account name was showing here. If you have added some person in add user, then that person will be showing here. Let's try to add one person. Yeah, so I'm adding as a team lead, and from enterprise company active, and I want to give a management. If you want, you can select all. So add the user. The user was added. Then let's go to the update permissions. See, now you can see the your current account mail ID and the newly added team leads mail ID, and you can select that person. And if you want to what type of permission you want to give, you can give that permission, like platform owner, project manager access if you want. And it's a enterprise thing. And yeah, so based on that project manager, these all the permission grants you can give to them, and you can update the permissions from here, so that in the same way you can provide access and update the permissions to particular person, to your team member. And coming to this billing section, it will show you what all packages available here. It's a business plan, agency plan, enterprise plan, basic plan, pro plan. There are what all the features we are giving in this. We can see that. So these are all plans are without AI. If if you want to use it with AI, then the packages will be separated. Uh, so for those packages you can contact us. And overview, we can see the our access and details, everything, like what mode you have paid the amount to the plan, and what package you have, what how much you have used till now, and how many is there for you. The everything you can see here. And if you want to cancel the package subscription, you can do this by selecting this one. And so these are all invoices. If you want to generate any invoices, you can use that. And most important thing is accounts section. Here you can see your details and professional profile. This was we are creating to if any hiring manager or project managers, anyone looking for a particular language specialist or any localization related specialist, they can search from here. These profiles can be seen only after taking the subscription, otherwise those are all not viewed for you. Coming to A and MT providers, this is very important. Here is what you can add your AI API key and connect to the tool so that you can use AI everywhere. Whatever services we are providing, you can use AI all the sections. And this is the another important one. If you have any if you have any your TMs or language resources, you can connect your database to this tool, by providing all these sections. You can connect your own database, or your own what is that, glossary list, TMs, the DNTs. So you can add all of them by using this thing. And you can see support option here. So you can create a ticket regarding if you have any issues. So, and this is admin page. You can see all the information what you want to see in this app. So basically this is what everything coming to this CogniSweep. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Welcome to CogniSweep.